Hello everyone, here is to show you how to install TDD LED Paddle Shifter. Step 1.
Take off the battery cable.
Step 2.
Take off airbag.
Step 3. Take off switches and paddle shifters. Step 4. Take your TDD Paddle Shifter and install it onto the paddle shifter base. Step 5. Install TDD Paddle Shifter onto steering wheel. Step 6. Put back switches onto steering wheel. Step 7. Connect the power and ground cables for the TDD Paddle Shifter. Step 8. Install the steering wheel and airbag back onto your car. Step 9. Install the TDD OBD Box onto Car OBD II. Step 10. Have fun with your TDD Paddle Shifter. Please download and install TDD mobile phone application, LED Performance. Thank you for watching.